Welcome, scientists. It's Gisa from Butterfly Garden. Today I have two stories to read to you. One is called Ocean Seasons, written by Ron Hirschi and illustrated by Kristen Carlson. Afterwards, we'll read a little bit about kelp. Spring is a burst of color on land and in the sea as plants spread their soft, new growth. Urchins munch on kelp in shallow Pacific waters, but hungry sea otters eat their share of the urchins, helping the plants grow into an undersea forest of many colors. Many fish, crabs, and shrimp hide and feast in the kelp forest. Diving birds and swimming seals dine on the young fish that live in the dense tangles of kelp. The humpback whales dive and circle under schools of fish. Looking up, they blow bubbles that form a net to trap their helpless prey. Summer is a calm blue sea. Seals sleep in the warm sun. Baby puffins hatch in burrows on a rocky island. Fish grow bigger and stronger through the summer, but they are still food for many birds, bigger fish, and the humpback whales. Mouths open wide, the whales lunge to the surface, straining the water to trap fish, using the comb-like baleen that lines their huge mouths. The whales put on layers of fat as they feast. Fish dine on the plankton that blooms in great numbers and in many kinds. Light shines from within some of the plankton. As the whales swim through the swarms, the night sea glows like streams of headlights on a freeway. Autumn winds blow strongly across the sea. The summer lights soon grow dark as the tiny plankton die and fall to the ocean floor. Fall is a time of change on the ocean. Salmon feed in the kelp forests as they return to rivers from distant ocean waters. Seals, sea lions, and humans hunt the salmon. Some orca whales hunt the salmon too. Other orcas hunt seals, sea lions, and even humpback whales. As the winter seas grow colder and colder, northern waters become quiet and clear. Atlantic and Pacific humpback whales turn south as icy winds blow. Winter whales leap and sing in the southern waters. Just like baby chicks hatch on land in the spring, baby whales are born in this warm ocean during the tropical winter. When winter turns to spring, the whales return to their northern waters as sea plants begin to spread their sparkling growth once again. So you saw a lot of kelp in this story, and you saw that many of the ocean creatures rely and depend on the kelp for food and for protection. So I just want to read you a quick story about kelp, written by Lloyd G. Douglas. Kelp is a plant. It grows underwater. There are many different kinds of kelp. Giant kelp can grow to more than 200 feet long. It is the largest plant in the ocean. Kelp can have green or brown leaves. Kelp plants often grow near each other. This is called a kelp forest. Fish and other animals live in kelp forests. Some of them use kelp for food. Some birds eat kelp too. People harvest kelp from the ocean. Sometimes kelp is used to make ice cream. It can also be used in paper and toothpaste. People use kelp for many things. of our kelp story. Thanks for watching. Please support our channel by liking and subscribing.